Okay guys, so check it out. Look for the pot of nice beautiful red pea soup guys. Vegan style. No meat. Guys, look at it. So it's thick and rich. Guys, look here. Guys, we're making some of the best vegan soup today guys. Healthy red pea soup with no meat. Guys, I need you to try this one at home. The coconut milk just turn up the flavor so much guys. Look at it. Everything is still there. No meat. Nice red peas guys with the coconut milk. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up Chayote TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. First, one Str8yaad TV, one.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Chayote TV in the kitchen today guys. Today we're gonna make some nice red peas vegetable soup guys. Today it's gonna be a nice soup guys. This one we call it the Rastaman sip. Okay guys, this is natural soup and it's gonna be nice and healthy. Okay guys, so right away, so we pot here with like 8 cups of water. So we're going to turn on the stove. We're going to get him to boil. We're going to add a little salt in him. So we're going to just make that go and get warm up and get ready to boil guys. Over here, we have the peas. So we have 2 sets of peas guys. I'm going to wash them right away and put them straight to the pot right away. Okay, we have the small red beans. This give it a lot of color and more flavor. And we have the big kidney beans. This one have a lot more food. So we're going to use half of this and half of that. Half and half. Okay, so we're going to leave half of this. We're going to use 1 pack of peas because we are going to make red pea soup. Vegetable soup. So it has to have a lot of peas guys, okay? So over here, we have some pumpkin. We have carrot. We're not going to use these guys. We're not going to use these. Let's take them out. So over here, we have a pumpkin. We have a chocho. We have an Irish potato. We have a carrot. We have a Scotch bonnet pepper guys, we can't do without that. We have a scallion. We have a thyme over here so. We have a turnip here guys. We have a turnip there. Over the food provision side, we have just 2 blue cocoa and a sweet potato guys. And you know we can't do without the okra. And you know, for the good flavor, with nice dry coconut my people, I already break in 2. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out also and get him juice out. So stay tuned and watch what go on guys. And guess what happened guys? We still have 1 more ingredient that we're gonna do because we can't make soup without some nice flour dumpling, some nice little ones, some roll up and some nice soup dumpling people, okay? So stay tuned and watch the video. This one is gonna be off the hook guys. This one is gonna be so nice guys. So stay tuned and watch what go on. We're gonna get right away and we're gonna watch my red peas my people. So stay tuned. A half pack of red kidney bean here. I'm going with it, okay? And then we're gonna go with half of this one. Guys, if you never know, 2 peas can cook. 2 different kind of peas they can cook. Don't let nobody tell you no foolishness. You can cook any type of peas together, you just have to know how to cook them. So we're going with half of this one also. Now we can red peas soup to cook. We have to have peas in a pot. Okay, my pips? This one is gonna be so nice. So we take a half pack out of that. With the half pack of the kidney beans, my peeps. So we are going to wash it off right away and throw it in a pot in my people before the pot starts boiling. Give it a nice little rinse off my peeps. Ready to go in a pot, you know. And from scratch we have here this my people. From scratch we're not going to pressure the peas and boil the peas separate. This is from scratch. Because this has to have a lot of flavor, okay? If you want to do it fast and you want to hurry move, you can pressure the peas, but I don't like pressuring my peas when I'm making red pea soup or stew peas. I like to get it from scratch. Okay? So right away, we go straight into the pot, my people. Straight into the pot, we go. See it, my pips? That's what we're talking about. Alright, and now we are going with some garlic, my people. tenderize the peas, make it cook faster, you know? Garlic make the peas cook fast, my people. Right now, I'm going to come in with some garlic, you know. Just crush them a little bit and put them in the pot, like about 4 pegs. Okay. Go with some nice garlic to get the peas cook real fast, my people. Okay. Yeah, release the garlic in the pot right away. Alright. So that's what we're talking about. We're gonna cover the pot right now, my people. And make the fire continue to do some work before we add the rest of water, because remember, this is like about 8 cups of water. And that's what we put the peas in, my people. So remember, when the pot starts to boil, the peas is gonna float. So you're gonna have to sink the peas. So stay tuned, watch what go on. We can cover it up and make the fire continue to do some work, my people. Okay guys, let's check on this red peas here, guys. You see, it's floating now. So we need to add some cold water, guys. So I have like 6 cups of cold water here. I'm gonna add it. And because we're making some nice soup, we're gonna add some more. Alright. Going with the next 6 cups. That's 12 cups. This part is a big part of my piece. Alright. So right away, I'm going to make him go and cook. Go and do his thing. So I'm going to add just a little bit of salt to it right now. See my peeps? Alright. So make the peas go and do him thing in the meantime. So guys, we are coming back the pot, and what we are going to do, we are going to make the peas continue to cook some more. We are going to go ahead and get the coconut break out and put it in a blender and start to make the juice put on one side, because you know we are get everything organized quick and fast. Okay my people, so stay tuned, watch the video to the end. And remember to give it a thumbs up when you're watching, guys. Thank you so much. Watch Str8yaad TV. Okay my beautiful people, let's check out the peas them and see how far they're in there now. See what we're gonna add to the pot now, my peeps. Yeah, looking nice and rich. Okay my people, the peas them like 3/4 cook. So it's time for me to start put stuff in the pot now, okay? I already go ahead and juice out my coconut here and I have it ready to go. Just need to juice it out now, but I already blend it out and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and start add some ingredients to the pot now, my peeps. Okay? Because you know, quick and fast with that pan. Alright? Right now my people, we have peel up one nice with a nigga yam here. I will put it in nice soup here. Right away. You know how it goes. Okay. And guys, when you peel your food, you always have to wash it, okay? Yam, banana, anything you peel, wash it before you put it in the pot, okay? Always tell you that. Keep on remember that, okay? Alright people, so we have a nice saniga yam. I'll go ahead and peel it up. I'm going to add it to the pot now, because it's time to start add some ingredients now to the pot, my people, okay? Alright. I'm going to go ahead and peel up some more stuff and start adding to the pot. Alright, because I tell you, like I said, the peas is almost cooked. See? Almost cooked. Not fully yet, but almost there. So, time to start the ingredients in the pot. And start get going, my people. So stay tuned, watch you are going. I'm going to add some stuff to the pot now, my peeps. Let me cover it up back and go and peel up some more stuff. You know how it go already. We have a nice 2 pieces of cocoa here. Nice sweet potato. We'll peel them up. We have a carrot. Our chocho, I'll peel up all these things down the people. Get them in a pot. You know how it go. Okay my peeps, so right now, I will add some more things again my people. We have some carrot, we have cocoa, nice blue cocoa. have a chocho. So we have to add in them in the pot right now, my peeps. Now how it go. Patty have a nice enough people. See there? Go so nice. Yeah, I'm going and get some cooking. And then we have to peel up some more stuff and add to the pot. So stay tuned with that. Alright, my peeps. You know it go already, you know. We are going to add the sweet potato. And we turnip. These are the turnip guys, okay? Know how it go. See them peeps? It is it, you know, so it look nice already. Get in there, my people. Get in there. So we're gonna cover up back. And make the fire continue to do some work. We only have these things to prep now, my peeps. Like the pumpkin and the potato. Scallion and my thyme and okra. Okay? Some pepper seed, that's we don't need that. This is all we have to put in the pot, my peeps. And then we're gonna make 2 spinners to put in the pot also. Okay? Stay tuned guys. Watch the video to the end. We're gonna juice out the coconut milk now and put him in the pot also. So stay tuned and watch what I go on for that. Okay, my peeps? Okay. Okay, my people, now we're gonna add our pumpkin and our Irish potato, okay? And the reason I'm adding these now because I don't need the pumpkin to mash out. I'm not making a pumpkin soup, guys. I'm making a sip red pea soup to the fullest, see? This is what we're talking about. You see peas? Look, this is what I call red pea soup. A lot of peas, guys. See? Yeah. Peas like crazy, see? This is what we're talking about when we make some red pea soup. Some sip, okay? Rastaman then call it sip. Alright? Red pea sip. Because this have no meat. So I cover it up back and make the fire continue to do some more work. So we have coconut milk to add to it. And we have some spinners to add to it. And then we're going to season up the pot. So stay tuned. Watch what I go on, guys. Watch carefully and try to make this one at home. So nice, healthy. Continue to do the work. Okay, my people, look at it. That is what we call a sip. So we are going to go in ahead and we're going to drop in the coconut milk and our people. All of the coconut milk are going. Red pea sip here go mad. Alright, the peeps, I'm finished draining out the rest of it now. You know, so it's like a rich and nice, you know, people. Very rich and nice. That is it. So, see the red pea soup come down and now, people. So it look, coconut milk, you can turn it over here now. See it there? Now the flavor go kick in with people. Eat them, my peeps. We're going to make that boil now, you know. Boil. That's the only thing we have to add in this now, my people. See it here? I'm scallion and my thyme. A couple of okra. And my Scotch bonnet. And guess what we have to add again? Some spinners. We have to go ahead and knead up the flour. So we have to go ahead and add it in right now to my people. Let's get some of the coconut flavor cooked down in that dumpling. You'll know it go. So right now we are going to make some flour, put in our pot, some soup dumpling, okay? And some spinners. That's what we're going to make. We don't need a lot, neither, my peeps. So some nice size spinners like them, eh? Or if you want to make the little baby ones, you can make the little baby ones like these, if you want. And if you want to make some soup dumpling, you can make some nice little small soup dumpling, okay? I'm gonna show you. I think I showed you that already, you know, guys, but I'm gonna show you again. How to make some perfect little small dumpling for the soup. Like these, okay? See, eh? Nice little round something. Nothing big and swarty. Nice small something, okay? And if you want to go smaller, you can still go smaller. Like you're making soup for dance or party. And it's a lot of soup. You can make these size one. Okay? Small ones. And baby, cup size. Those. Okay? But you know, we a man love with spinach, you know. So, going with some spinach along with people. Because I show you so we can make all different type of dumpling for the soup. Okay? You know we love the spinach. If you want spinach like this, that have more flour, do it like that. Okay? You don't have to have them small, you can have them in all different sizes, shape and form. And like I said, you need some cup size, see them here? Nice little cup size, okay? This is called real soup now, people. Natural soup, this natural soup. Them are the Rasta man them drinking on my people. I used to hang out with a lot of Rasta friends. And when we cook this soup, guys, we don't miss meat. We don't miss meat. We don't have to eat meat, trust me. So this pot. Going with the next little baby one, that's it. I'll give pot a one story and now, my people. See there? Not much food. This is what I like with this pot. Lot of soup and peas. That's what we call it. Red peas vegetable soup, my people. In Jamaica, the Rasta man them call it sip. And then don't put no salt in it, then call it Ital sip. And some people put salt because they can't manage it Ital. Alright? Because the Rasta man names Ital is vital. So we are going to cover it back now. Matter of fact, you know, my people. We are going right now with my okra. Right away, me are going with my okra. Right away. Big one, them will cut them. The small one, them are not going to cut them. Just cut the big one, them. These little small one, we just keep them same way. So we are going to make it boil a little bit first, more. And then we are going to add with scallion with thyme and with pepper. So, make it go and boil some more, get the coconut flavor up, guys. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. This one is going to be a hit runs, guys. And if you try this one back home and don't depend on meat, this is natural soup at its best. Okay? Stay tuned, guys. Watch what I go on. Str8yaad TV. Okay, my people. Check it. Wow. Check it out, guys. This is what you call natural soup. Okay, guys? Red peas soup, guys. Natural vegetable red pea soup, okay? A.K.A. sip. Rastaman sip. Listen to me, people. That's what I'm telling you. So the Rastafarian soup, guys. It's a vegan soup. Natural soup, okay? So right now we are going and now we'll season up the pot now. We are going with time them. We are going with scallion and we are cut it up now, people. So rub it up and drop it in. Yes, my people. Drop in one Scotch bonnet. Oh, we are going with the nice Maggie cock soup, your boy. That's the cock soup. Yeah, we are going with the cock soup, you know, my people. No, we don't put the flour part, you know, because we don't want the soup to start stick on, you know, burn. This nice soup not supposed to stick, guys. Trust me. You can sieve it out, my people, like this, or you can just dip it in the strainer and mix it out in the hot water. In the soup, okay? Just mix it out like that. So you get everything out there. See? You get everything except the flour. We don't need the flour. Okay? That is it. No flour. You stick and burn up this nice lovely soup. Guys, you want to smell the flavor from this? Coconut milk is thick. Nice. So I'll cover it up. If I continue to do some more work, we just pre-season them up. Later on we have to test it out and see if you need anything more like a salt or a next cock soup or something. So we have to give some flavor, you know, make it go and cook with. Okay? So stay tuned, guys. Next 10 minutes we're gonna check it out again. So stay tuned. Watch the video to the end, guys, and try this one at home. You won't regret. Okay, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscribers, check out this nice, lovely vegan soup, guys. I taste it, I know, so it's rich and thick. Oh Lord. Guys, the flavor is so nice. Coconut milk make it taste so nice, guys, but you know what, it needs a little bit of salt. So we are going to add some salt to it, people, just a little bit to kick up the flavor. Okay, so this is what we are going to go with it. Add some salt in it, give it a nice stir it up. Let the salt go all over in the pot, and the pot not sticking, you know, people. This is what I like with soup when I'm making this type of soup. No sticking in my pot, no burning. The soup just rich and nice. Guys, you don't miss meat with this one. Trust me, you don't miss meat. Let me test it out again now. Now we're talking, my people. Now we're talking, okay? So we'll cover back the pot now. And guys, when you're cooking, always cook to your flavor and your taste buds. If you need more salt, add it. I'm a type of guy that don't like too much salt. I just like flavors. I'm a flavor person, okay? So just stay tuned. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna burst the pepper. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna juke some hole in the pepper so it can release some pepper flavor, guys. I like pepper. If you don't like pepper, don't burst yours, okay? Just keep it the same way. But I like pepper, so I'm gonna go with mine. Okay, my peeps, so stay tuned. Watch what I'm going on Str8yaad TV. Up and running. So we'll close up the pot now, and by the next 10 minutes time, guys, we finish. So stay tuned and wait for the sharing. Okay, we'll close up the pot, people. One love, Str8yaad TV. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Check out the channel. And guys, when you're watching the video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. It helps the video to go a long way. Okay, thank you so much. One Str8yaad TV, up and running. Okay, my beautiful people, this is what we're talking about when we start making some real Rastaman sip, guys. See there? No sticking, no burning. Everything is good to go. See there? This we call a real sip. Okay? So we're going to turn it off now, my people. Fire. Finish. Okay? And we're going to serve out some, guys, so stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. Take out a piece of time, yeah. I'm already finished with him work. You know how it go, like take out the time them after them done, you know, my people. Them finish, them work done. Okay? Yeah, so removing them. So right away, guys, we're going to serve out some food right now, okay? Okay, my people. We have come to the end of this beautiful red pea soup, guys. This is our red peas vegan soup. And which is a Rastaman sip, guys. Very healthy soup, very strong. Very vegan soup, guys. Check it out. Look at it. How rich and thick is this, guys? Watch it. Look at this. Look at this, my people. The okra them still turn up. So we cook soup, okay? The okra them there. With nice dumpling. With chocho. With carrot. With sweet potato. I will tonking them in the same way no mash with nice Scotch bonnet when no mash out yet. Guys, we cook them, boil down, sit there. Guys, I want you to check this one out. This one is so nice. Check it out, my people. Look at it. Guys. This one is so delicious, guys. I want you to try it at home and tell me how you taste, guys. And I know you're gonna tell me it's good. You love it. You're gonna do it all the time. Because this one is a hit, guys. You don't need meat. Eating this one is so good. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Check out Str8yaad TV. One love, guys. Stay tuned, stay blessed. We out.